I've missed you so much. Yeah, I've not been vlogging lately because I've been in school, and yeah. So now we are in school holidays and I want to show you something. So this I was given on my birthday. It was in March. So I want to show you guys how to make a friendship bracelet. Okay, let's start. So you always start with this. You put it in the middle. Always put that in the middle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Then you go to this one. I chose I love like a snowflake. So just finding the hole, put it in there. But don't be in a rush. It's just you making it, not a must to go fast. Then you go with this small ball. You can do it in any color. You can do it in pink, in green, blue, purple. Yeah. Or even white. White is also a good color. Okay, so then you go to this crown that you love your friend like a king or queen or a princess or prince. So then I put this cutie apple that is pink, but I don't have red. I have blue. I have lots of colors here, but except red. So whatever, I don't need red. So the next one is this cute apple that has X's. X. Now I'm using for cream. Yeah. I've missed you guys so much that I just wanted, I was in a mood of just making a vlog for you guys. Yeah, so there's this cutie teensy weensy star. Okay, put it in. Yeah, if you love your friend, just do this at home. But when you're sizing it, do not cut it by yourself. Ask an adult to help you. Yeah, so we just and this cute thing that you can put it in any color if you have a bracelet set or anything. Yes. So I just wanna put one more thing. Then I'm done with my bracelet. I put this cutie again here at the end. You love your friends so much, but some people don't see. You can put on the lights. It's me who doesn't like the dark, so yeah, I like doing something in this light. Okay. Yeah. So this is my friendship bracelet. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Subscribe, like, and enjoy. Bye. So now it's all done, and you can give it to your friend and make one for yourself. Bye. Love you. See you. Mwah.
That's good sauce.